Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Android development and exploring a powerful tool called ADB. We'll learn how to remotely record your Android screen using ADB commands. This is particularly useful for developers, testers, or anyone who needs to capture screen activity without physically accessing the device. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have the following: Android device with USB debugging enabled, ADB installed on your computer, basic understanding of command prompt or terminal. First, we need to enable developer options on your Android device. To do this, go to Settings, tap on About Phone, tap on build number 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Go back to the main settings menu and you'll find a new option called Developer Options. Now, connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure you've authorized USB debugging on your device when prompted. Open a command prompt or terminal on your computer and type the following command to check if your device is connected: ADB devices. This should list your connected device. If it's not listed, make sure your drivers are installed correctly and USB debugging is enabled. To start the screen recording, use the following ADB command. Replace cardmyrecording.mp4 with the desired file path and name on your device. This command will start recording your screen and save the video to the specified location on your device. To stop the recording, you can either wait for the default recording time. Most devices have a default recording limit of 3 minutes. Manually stop it, press Ctrl+C on keyboard or open another command prompt or terminal window and type ADB shall kill all screen record. And there you have it, you've learned how to remotely record your Android screen using ADB commands. This powerful tool can be incredibly useful for various purposes. Experiment with different settings and find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.